Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, and my name is Selen and I am architect. On this channel, I try to help you design your space wisely and also give you a perspective from an architect's eye. Today we are going to talk about 5 simple ways to elevate your kitchen and make it look and also feel more upgraded, luxurious and elegant. I feel like we have been talking a lot about the bedroom design, living room design on this channel, but not really about kitchen. And it is also really important because it is the place where we kind of come together as a family, maybe cook together and share good memories together. So why not elevate it and make you feel much more better? So without further ado, please hit that subscribe button guys, because I want this channel to grow and then I want to create more videos for you. Yeah, so thank you so much for that and let's start. Now, my very first tip to upgrade your kitchen is by giving it a fresh new coat of painting. And the reason is that if you paint your space nice and clean, it is going to change how you perceive it, because nobody thinks that dirty walls are attractive or elegant. You can either paint your kitchen with the same color if you don't want to take any kind of risk, or if you want to be more creative, I would suggest you to try a different shade, a different color to make a difference in the space. If you have already painted your kitchen some time ago and you feel like it really didn't change a lot, maybe it's time to add more colors and textures. So, for example, if you have a breakfast nook in your kitchen, you can paint there with a different shade, or you can add a wallpaper within the same color scheme of your kitchen to highlight that space and make a statement. Here are some nice examples to inspire you. Let's jump into my second simple way to elevate your kitchen. This is another way to elevate your kitchen, and this is also one of my favorites because it is budget friendly and you can also do this in a rental house without damaging anything, and you can completely transform your kitchen cabinets with little to no effort. So let's check these examples. The only thing that you should be careful about is that, let's say you have a traditional kitchen, so try to use also traditional hardware to make it look much more cohesive. And also if you have a, let's say, modern or kitchen cabinets with more clean edges, again, try to use more modern and also simple hardware to match it together, because like I said, it is important to have a cohesive look in your space. And also it is good not to use more than 3 different metal finishes to make your kitchen look more well put together. By the way, if you are living in a rental house and want to update or basically elevate your kitchen without damaging anything, I have another video for that and I'm going to put it in the description box because I think there are really great tips there. If you feel like your kitchen is not customized for you, maybe this is the right time to add a different function to make it look much more unique and also individual. So obviously this is going to be different for everyone, but for example, let's say you enjoy having a coffee in the middle of the day after you are done with the cooking, so why don't you create a small coffee nook for this purpose and maybe decorate it with the unique items that makes you feel happy and special. Or another example is that if you enjoy having your breakfast in the kitchen with your family, why don't you create a special breakfast nook for this purpose? Maybe you can add some artwork around there, and also you can update your cutlery, because trust me guys, it really makes your space look much more unique and elevated. And there is nothing more elegant than a space that is only designed for you. If you love the content that I'm creating for you guys, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on all your notifications by pressing the bell. If the lighting fixtures in your kitchen are outdated, it is very likely that your kitchen is going to look more ordinary and also cheap. But you don't have to worry about this because this is really easy to fix. So obviously you just need to update them with your favorite style, and there are only few things that you should be careful about. First of all, try not to use so many different materials in your kitchen because this will cause confusion. So this means if you want to go for metal fixtures, try to use metal fixtures all the time because repetitive materials kind of makes the space look much more elegant and also elevates it. And you can always play with the shape and the style of the lighting, but just to make sure that you stick with the same material. Another thing is that if you have a space that you want to highlight or create a focal point in your kitchen, I would suggest you to use multiple lighting fixtures there because it is going to look bold. For example, you can use multiple lighting fixtures around your kitchen islands or maybe around your breakfast nook, so it really depends on what you want to highlight in there. And another thing is that if you enjoy having your dinners in your kitchen, it is always good to go for a recessed lighting because you can always play with it, and it is good to create a more cozy environment for that. And if you do all of these things in your kitchen about lighting fixtures, trust me, your kitchen is going to be elevated and it is going to look much more elegant. Now, there is nothing worse than a boring kitchen that feels plain, so because of that reason, you should break that monotonous feeling in your kitchen by creating surprises. So what does this surprises really mean? Well, it is definitely not only one way, and this could be achieved in many ways. So you can use a very striking color in an unexpected place, or you can use a very unique artwork, or you can even use a runner that has an interesting pattern to create little surprises in your kitchen. Trust me guys, little surprises like that is going to add more uniqueness to your space, and it is going to elevate your kitchen. By the way, I have another video about how you can elevate your house and also make you feel much more luxurious, and I think you will also like that video, so I'm going to put it in the description box and also somewhere on the screen for you. If you like this video guys, please show me some love and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content, and turn on all your notifications by pressing the bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video. And if you need any kind of help with your space, I'm going to put my website in the description box, and make sure to check that one out because I have great interior design packages for online clients and also consultation packages, so make sure to check that one out. And you can also follow me on Instagram at selenarchitecturaldesign for inspirations and also interior design tips. And yes, I know I wasn't really online there recently, but I'm gonna be back soon. Actually not soon, I'm going to be back today, so make sure to check that one out as well. And thank you so much for watching, and please stay safe until I see you next time. I love you all, and thank you, and see you. Bye bye.